These deals, the DeWalt holiday deals are live. They are live online. You can go get them now. Go get them as soon as possible. These will sell out. These will sell out. I repeat. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make work to review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, this is one of the kits you guys could get with the holiday deals. Yes, holiday 2021. It says here, free tools. I'll leave you guys the link to all these products or all these deals down below in the description section of this video. This one's $5.99. You do get the, it said it includes the XR half-inch impact. It says impact wrench. It says XR half-inch impact wrench, XR impact driver, hammer drill driver, charger contractor bag. I don't know why it says impact wrench. It doesn't. We do not have a half-inch impact wrench. Alright, so that is wrong. There's no impact wrench here. All you do is get all you do get is the impact driver. This is the XR quarter-inch impact driver. Hammer drill driver, charger, contractor bag, and a circ saw. So I don't know, they messed up on the wordage or something like that. But you do get this this flex bolt circ saw. I don't know why they put impact wrench. There's no impact wrench here. There's an impact driver. Anyways, so you do get the circ saw. You get the 887 top of the line XR impact driver, quarter-inch impact driver. You get the half-inch hammer drill. This is top of the line flex bolt hammer drill. You do get one 6 amp hour flex bolt battery. You get a standard 5 amp hour battery, and then you get a charger here. This is, I believe, this is a fast charger. It says, if you guys see there, it has a 6. So that is one of the faster chargers here, the 6 amp chargers. Alright, that's $5.99, right? So if you guys, actually this one does not have the deals. I don't know why it does not have the deals here. It should have buy this and get 3 free tools. Maybe this is an in-store only item. We'll just look at the details here. Yep, it is. It may not be available. Maybe because it's not available at the store. I mean, it was available when I... Alright, let's look at the store. Find other stores. Camelback. Alright, let's look at select this store. See if we get anything different. Yeah, it's not available online. So anyways, if you guys go to the store, you guys could get this deal. You can get 3 tools when you guys buy this deal. So this is $5.99. They're still fixing, guys. They're still fixing these this wordage. This is not correct. Half-inch impact wrench. There's no way there's a half-inch impact wrench in here. And they do have to add the buy one get one free. Anyways, that's one of the deals you guys could get in store only. And it says here get free tools. So this is confirmed that this is the deal. But this is the most. This is the second one. Same thing with this one. This one, it says includes. See, this one does say includes the half-inch hammer drill driver, the 3-speed impact driver, flexible 6 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, and a charger. So this is the fast charger there, the 6 amp. So it's the same thing with this one. This one's in store only. The one you can get now online is this one. This one you can get right now online. So make sure you guys get it. These are available today. Make sure you guys get them because they will sell out. Alright, so this deal is $1.99. If you guys choose this deal, you guys can select a free tool for free. Alright, so we got... This is the tools that we can get for free. This is a really good deal on this one. That's a nice blower. So it's 125 miles per hour, 450 CFM. That's really good. 20 volt max cordless brushless handheld blower, $149. Or you guys could get the 20 volt max compact task light, $99. This is the one I got. So it's the 20 volts cordless brushless 4.5 to 5 inch paddle switch angle grinder with the flex volt advantage, $199. Here's another flexible advantage tool. This is a 20 volt max cordless brushless 7.25 circ saw flexible advantage, $199. Or you can get the DeWalt 20 volt max lithium cordless brushless reciprocating saw with flexible, $199. So these three are great tools, guys. They're $199 each, and they're gonna be free with this item. So definitely check it out. It's a really good deal. DeWalt's actually #1 this year on the deals, on the holiday deals. You got DeWalt 20 volt max cordless XR cordless brushless quarter sheet variable speed sander tool, only $129. You got 20 volt max XR cordless brushless compact router, $199. Or you can get the DeWalt XR cordless brushless jigsaw tool, only $199. Or you can get the 20 volt max cordless brushless 5 inch random orbit sander, $139. Or you can get the 20 volt max cordless brushless oscillator multi tool, $139. I got this tool. This thing's amazing, guys. This is a toolless blade change. All you do is squeeze this lever. This thing just releases the blades. So convenient to have. You got the flex bolt 20 volt 60 volt max 6 amp hour battery pack valued at $150. Guys, go get them, guys. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Make sure you guys select the most expensive. Obviously the most expensive are these flexible tools. Those are the ones you need to get. So this is the one I selected. I already got this, by the way. If you guys haven't seen my video, I will be making a video about this this angle grinder. So guys, you're gonna get this for $99.50. It's a smoking killer deal for a $200 tool, and plus you're gonna get these batteries for $99.50. Let me tell you a little bit about these batteries before you go. This is, if you guys haven't seen my unboxing video of this thing, make sure you guys check it out. I'll see if I can link it up above here. But this 6 amp hour battery by itself, it's worth it by itself. It does have the upgraded cells with the 21700 cells. This thing will make your brushless tools rock. It'll push your to the maximum of your brushless tools. This is your standard 4 amp hour battery. It's just the 18650's regular cells in it. But this battery, guys, let me tell you, this one's a great battery. I will be making a battery video, so it's comparing all those batteries for you, see which one's the best. But yeah, I heard nothing but good things about this battery. I'll hack this. This is very simple. You choose the store, you choose the tool. Obviously, you go to the cart. You choose both of your items. You go into the cart here. What you do is you're gonna select one of the items. The ones you're gonna keep, you're gonna select it to the store pickup. That's the one you're gonna keep, or either or you can select if you want the tool that you do not want, you can select the ship to home. Once you select the ship to home, this one's store pickup, and this one to home, because this one's the one that you don't want. I'm just giving you an example. You can keep this one or this one, however, or you keep both, which are both great deals. If you guys see this price, these are awesome deals. I ended up keeping both of them. There's no way to hack this. Is just this 6 amp hour battery pack is just, anyways. If you guys ship this to home, you guys could have 5 minutes to cancel. I would say about 10 to 15 minutes to cancel this. So just cancel it right away. You do get an email. Make sure you guys put your email when you guys are checking out, and when you guys are hitting this button and checking out, putting your credit card information. That way you can cancel it. And if you cancel it, you just cancel this one, and then you can still pick this up at the store that you choose. Same thing, but like I said, I would suggest you guys keep both of them. Awesome, great deals. Anyways, I'll leave the link down below in the description section to all these deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.